Hey guys, today I want to show to you 5 main differences between real AMG and fake AMG. Okay, the first difference is in Amg Mark. You see the engraving over here? It's kind of like incremental from the left to the right, depending on where your position is. And the biggest engraving is on the left, and then it kind of decreases until the A mark. And this is not sticker, this is real one, so you can kind of feel it over here, you can touch it. Now I'm gonna show you the fake AMG wheel. This is AMG slot. As you can see, there's no AMG mark on it. So what people do is they just put AMG sticker on it over here, and that's it. It looks like AMG, but you can easily peel it off, take it off, and when you wash the car, sometimes it just comes off. The difference number 2 is people usually put AMG engraving on the fake AMG wheels too, but you can actually see the AMG mark on that is a little bit different. First of all, AMG, this is little engravings. This is kind of like an incremental, but on the fake one, they're all the same size. And the letter A is a little bit different on the fake one. You see the A sign over here? It's kind of leaning towards to the right. And on the fake one, the font of the A is a little bit different. If you put the wheel face down, you can see the Mercedes logo over here and part number, which starts with letter A. If you put fake wheel face down, you cannot find the part number on the back of the wheel. The difference number 4 is if you look at the slot where all the information of the wheel is, you see it goes all the way until the barrel. So it kind of touched the barrel to over here, and from here to here. And if you look at the fake one, you can clearly see the slot is a little bit, not little bit actually, it's very small, and you cannot see the part numbers that are actually, there's no part number on it. So the final difference is in the back lip of the wheel. So if you look at the real one, this is just a smooth back lip of the real AMG wheel, as opposed to the fake one. You can see the groove over here. The lip got one groove over here, and yeah, that's the final difference. A lot of people ask me which one is better. Of course, the real one is better in terms of quality, and it's more durable, but it depends on how you drive. And the fake one is cheaper. The material, you can feel it, the material is horrible. I would not recommend it, and you can easily crack or bend it. And in terms of cost, so if you have S-Class, let's say this wheel, but you have real one, and if you want to replace one, it will probably cost you around $600 to $900. And if you want to buy a new one, that's going to cost you $1,600 up until like $2,000. Depending on the dealership, if you got a real good discount, you can probably get for $1,100 for just one wheel. If you crack or bend one of your wheels, and let's say you got fake AMGs, you cannot get only one, so you have to buy the whole set, which will probably cost you around like $600-700. But if you have a real one, and if you want to replace it, you can actually replace by just like a single one. In other words, you don't have to buy the whole set. If you want to replace just one, you can just replace one. So final word, if you have any questions, please let me know. I would really appreciate your feedback too. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.